back to the class. Today it's a little test. I like this exercise. It's called Happy Buddha. What we're doing here, I'm going to demonstrate to David. You're going to stay away from the wall. The foot is the distance of your hips. So not wide, not tight, just the same distance. Now you attach yourself to the wall. We're not going to go to the wall angel. Attach your head. Yes, it's the beginning of wall angel. Start, get your arms on the side. So let me go away from here. And all you do is start loading yourself down and see where's that coming up. Is that head coming up? Is that some pain in the knee? Just whatever you can go. Okay, it's a pain. I step a little bit forward. It's discomfort in my knee. So again, attach, slide myself down, and get in this sitting position. Do I feel comfortable? Pretty much. And I start doing this. Raise that foot up. And what I'm doing here, push through the ground, through the floor. Stay here in this position. And this is the test. This is start shaking. And I feel that stretch right in here. So this kinetic line is weak. And that's quadriceps. It could be that problem. And that's first signal. Don't. I know it's kind of crazy. Not the crazy. So here we go. Attach. Here we go. Yeah, lower back, head. And look, it's already kind of like, he's already struggled up here. So I want you to start to step forward. More and more and more and more and more and more. And the distance is important. So go ahead a little bit more. And here we go. You see the head is coming up? There we go. Now I want you to start to glide yourself down. Knee pulls out. You see he's trying pulling out. What do you feel it? Try to push yourself through the ground. Arm, palms up, palms up. Here we go. Here we go. Quads? Where? Which one? Both quads. Do you feel it's in here or in the quads?
In quads.
In quads. This is like very, and push yourself up. If you can't, exactly. Yeah, so you just push it up. Try it one more time. Push your head, push yourself. So he pushing himself through the wall. Try to keep that spine flat. You see, I can feel that little space. And knee is coming up. So if we're going to correct that, go ahead, raise yourself up and see. We're going to add something. Sorry, I didn't know we're going to go that way. But we're going to add that band. Go ahead, step. With this one too. All the way up. Right in here. Okay? First, below the knee. And the second is going to be above the knee. So try to stretch that band. And lower yourself down. Again. Push, push, breathe. Head. Don't forget to breathe. Try to spread. Now, can you push your foot up? Which one? You see the weakness comes up right away? Stretch that band. Great. What do you feel? You see that head is coming up?
Everything.
Now, push through the throat. Push through my head. Here we go. Look at this weakness.
I cannot do it.
That's really cool stuff because he's the first time. I'm never he's exclusive, trust me. So if he's going to do this for several days, he will get stronger. So this task, the Happy Buddha, usually, yes, you're standing in this position and you start doing that belly rub. So you're doing in this position, you load yourself. Sorry, here we go. I'm going to adjust it. And you rub your belly. And that's what this Happy Buddha. You pull and you push. You see, I'm pushing myself through that ground because my back is coming away from the wall. So I create that strength. I feel that spine back. Activate my hip flexors, everything. And the weakness, like I said, is going to show up. Maybe calf. Maybe that's a quads, hip flexors. Also your shoulders coming up again away from the floor. Your neck is coming. So that's to break that kinetic line. And you need to just work on it. How do you feel?
It's good. It's very hard. It's tough, but it's good challenge.
It's a challenge and a test at the same time. So this is going to shows up, like I said, the weakness. Work on that. See how you feel. Thanks for watching. See you on Tuesday, 7:30 morning.